How to add UPI payment on Wix. So I am on the main page of Wix here, and we want to scroll down until we see settings. So just click on settings here, and this will take us to this page where we have to choose accept payments. Once we have clicked on accept payments, then we will simply scroll all the way down until we're able to see manual payments, and we have to click on connect. So this is going to look something like this, and you have to type out the instructions about how people can pay you using UPI. So here you can type out pay me using UPI, and you will add a colon, and here we can just highlight the entire text, and we can insert the link for our UPI, or we can insert our UPI payment link right here. And after we have typed it out, we will simply click on save, and then we will click on connect, and then people can pay us using UPI. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.